Hi there. I really want to share this writing trick with you because among my whole entire arsenal, it really is one of my favorites. I never really believed in writer's block. That doesn't mean that writing isn't sometimes difficult or that it's always easy because, look, anyone who writes for a living, we know sometimes conquering that blank page is a really difficult thing to do. But the point is, it can always be done. Now, certainly some topics are going to give you more trouble than another, and if you're writing keyword copy, that's going to be a little bit easier than, figuring out the last three chapters of your novel. But the idea of just that you can sit down and write under any circumstances, I totally believe it's true. Because I've had to do it, and I've had to do it many times, and you will too, because there are going to be times when really you have to clear your desk of the copy or you're not going to have enough money next week. And so writing fast but still maintaining your quality, being able to write fast and well is just really, you need to sharpen that weapon as much as you possibly can. But a lot of writers stress out about it, and they don't understand that they don't have to sacrifice quality for speed. They just have to get into the habit. They have to practice the discipline. It's like anything. You're not going to be able to do 100 push-ups tomorrow if you start today. You're going to have to do a few more each day so you build the muscle and you get stronger. Writing is exactly the same way. You can write really fast and you can write really well. And actually, if you learn to do it well, the two skills work together. The faster you write, the better you write, which is counterintuitive to a lot of writers, but I swear it's true. So I don't want that to happen to you. I don't want you to feel frustrated when you have to write a lot of copy in a very short period of time. I want you to feel energized because your copy is going to be better and you're going to get it done sooner. I know the times when I have not wanted to do something are the times when I've wasted a couple hours just surfing online because I was really just killing minutes. And I don't want you to do that. So just kind of go in with the mindset that writer's block is silly and that it can't get you down. And here's what you need to do. We're going to give ourselves 20 minutes for this. Now, believe it or not, you can write 500 words in half that time, as long as you are in your rhythm. But let's start with 20 minutes. We're going to write a 500-word piece of copy, and we're going to give ourselves 20 minutes to do it. Doesn't matter what your topic is. You come up with a topic. You're just going to write. Okay, so come up with your topic, and then spend 5 minutes brainstorming. Think of everything you would want to say about that topic. Just make a big list. Make a circle map, doesn't really matter, just you're mining yourself for ideas right now. All right, once you're done with that, I want you to just take another 5 minutes and make questions. So turn those prompts into figure out what 3 or 4 things you really want to say, and then ask questions based on the prompts. So for example, if I told you to write about your computer, you would probably have a difficult time thinking of something specific to write about your computer. But if your topic is write about your computer, and one of your questions is, how does your computer help you be more efficient each day? What are 3 things you use your computer for each day? Those are questions you can answer automatically. And that's the key to fast writing, is not stopping to think. And the faster you write, the closer you're going to capture your natural voice, which is fantastic, because the next thing you're going to do is you're going to set a timer. So you've already spent 10 minutes. You spent 10 minutes brainstorming, and you spent 10 minutes turning that into questions. Now, I want you to just set a timer, and for 5 minutes, do nothing but write. Write as fast as you possibly can. Do not stop, do not slow, do not let your brain mess with you and self-edit and tell you it's not good enough and that you need to change that sentence. You don't do it when you speak, don't do it when you write. If you skip it, you're gonna write a lot better. So then the last 5 minutes, just clean it up. Go back over what you wrote and clean up. But here's the beautiful part. If you did the other 2 preliminary parts to prepare, then that 5 minutes you spent writing should have been great because your brain would have already been going. You're just gonna spill those thoughts out and you'll actually have very little editing and cleanup to do. So just try it. Spend the 20 minutes, see if you can get a nice piece of 500 word copy together, and that's it. Best of luck to you. We'll see you soon.